What's good, family? How's everybody doing today on this Wednesday, aka Higgity Hump Day? Hopefully, everybody's doing wonderfully blessed, had a great day. Most importantly, hopefully, you all had a safe day wherever you're posted up at in this beautiful world that we live in. This is your boy, Hamid G, and your boy's about to drop it like it's hot, baby. On today's video, I'm just going to make a quick tutorial on how to buy Doge NFTs. Yes, you heard it right. Doge NFTs off the Metamask wallet on the DOGEX website. I'm going to break it down step by step. It's pretty beginner friendly. Anybody can do it, guys. I'm going to show it to you simple as possible on how to do it. All right, guys, none of this is ever financial advice. It's just your boy running his mouth, sharing his thoughts and opinions, nothing more, nothing less. Now, I'm ready. Are you ready? Let's get it, baby, and let's just dive right into the content. All right, guys, Bitcoin is at 48,224 with 35 cents. We are sitting up 2.63% for the day. Not too shabby, guys, being that we were down, you know what I mean, in the lower 40s. Not lower 40s, but you know, around 44k, 45k, right? We're struggling around that 40 to hold that 45,000, but now we're back almost testing that 50,000 level of resistance, right? We have resistance at that 50k that we need to get smashed past in order to continue to keep pushing up. But all right, guys, enough of Bitcoin. Let's dive into Dogecoin real quick and see what's going on with the stats. We're currently sitting at 0.2471. We're up 0.64% for the day. We had a 24-hour low, guys, of 23 cents, 24-hour high of 0.2483. So we're just a couple cents shy of our 24-hour high. Our market cap is sitting at 32.43 billion. And volume's at 973.26 million. Our volume is pretty much the same as what it was yesterday. We're not even at 1 billion, guys, so we can't really expect the price of Doge to head to the moon, right? So there's a lot of critical levels of resistance that we need to smash past if we want to continue to push up. But stay tuned for my video later on this evening. I'll be breaking off some Doge and overall crypto news and get a little bit more into the levels of resistance and support. This video is geared more just for the tutorial, right, to buy Doge NFTs. All right, guys, enough of the stats now. Let's get into the tutorial here, okay, guys? So now we're going to dive into MetaMask, okay, guys? So I'm not going to get into how to make a MetaMask wallet, guys, because you guys should already know. If you're in crypto, you should already know how to make a... Bandit, be quiet! You should know how to make a digital wallet if you're in crypto. If not, let me know in the comments and I'll make a tutorial as well on that. All right, guys, so obviously what you're going to do is, okay, you see the little hamburger here on the top left, right? It looks like a hamburger to me, right? It's three little lines on the top left. So you click it, right? And you click on, okay, this is what it'll look like, right, when you open your wallet up, obviously, right? Then you click up here in the top left corner. Then you hit browser, okay? And then you come down here to the little magnifying glass, then you type in DOGEX, right? DOGEX.ai, right? And then you click right here on the very top where you see that little Doge dog. You click on that one, right? And this is what pops up, okay? Then you click on Connect Wallet, right? And then it'll show you here how many, mint, right? So you click here on however many you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is 3,949 available out of 10,000. So already 60% has already been sold, guys, right? And they're going for 0.08, which is roughly around 300 and some change, right? It's not too bad because once they're gone, baby, right? And they do have some rarity. You dive in and look in the website, right? And it'll show you here. You'll see here, right? If you want to check out the website, you know what I mean? You can read into it, right? I think it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool NFT, right? I own 3 of them. I'll show you here in a second, but I just wanted to briefly show you, right, on how to do it. It's very simple, guys. Like I said, you should know how to download a MetaMask wallet, right, guys? I mean, if you're in crypto, you should know how. You should have a digital wallet, right? Hopefully, you're not storing all your digital assets on Coinbase or Crypto.com or wherever it may be, right? Hopefully, it's not on a exchange. All right, guys. So, all right, enough of that there. Now, let's dive into my NFTs so I can show you real quick. So, I'll browse it real quick. I need to get onto OpenSea, right? So, you just type in open, right? And it shows up right there. Okay, and then I'm gonna click on my account. Alrighty, come on. My profile. It's acting silly. Okay, here we go. Alright, there's that me, that handsome guy right there. He's a handsome guy. All right, my collections. Okay, so here's one of them. Right, here's two. And here's my third one. This one here is the one that's the most rarest. Now, you click on the picture, right, guys? And then you scroll down to where it shows properties, okay? Oop, where are we at? Yeah, properties, okay? Then it gives you a breakdown on the rarity, right? Like, for example, backpacks, rocket. Only 1% out of the 10,000, right, have this trait. As you can see, I have a backpack, a rocket backpack on my back. Now, tattoo, I don't have any face tattoos. Hats, I have a space helmet. Okay, 2% own that. Shirts, 0.72. I have it says white space suit, right? So I have a white space suit. And then you have the suitcase, the question mark, right? So as you can see here, I have a suitcase. 2% have that question mark right here on the top left there. That's 2%. The sunglasses, 2% have that as well. Okay, guys. Now, background, it says 5% have this trait. So majority of everything minus just the background, right? The background 5% have, right? But as far as everything else, it goes from 2% down to 0.72%. So this one here is a pretty rare Dogecoin, right? So obviously, the more rare it is, the more money you can ask for, right? I'm asking for 5 Ethereum right now for it, right? There's some going for more. One just sold for like 10 Ethereum. Right, so I just wanted to briefly show you my NFTs, right? 3. I'm probably going to pick up another 2 more. I want to have about 5 of them. But for now, I just have the 3, guys. And that's how you mint Doge NFTs. You should get them before they're gone, guys, because they will be gone eventually. All right, this is your boy, Jaime G. You stay safe and stay blessed. Stay tuned till later this evening, guys. I will be dropping another video. Peace.